This little bird just ran into the window. I don't know if it's okay and stunned or if it's breathing, so that's good. I'll give you an update in a minute. Hello, little one. Your heart rate's calmed down. That's good. My hand isn't steady. I'm sorry. Oh, you're so pretty. I don't know what kind of birdie you are. They're trying to figure it out. Let me move it there. There you go. You're perking up. Oh, good bird. Good birdie. You're so pretty. Yeah. Hello. I want to see you fly. Ooh. You certainly set up after Tessa ran out. Hi, honey. Cool.
It's a cedar wax.
Okay. Well, we are up at the construction site right now, seeing what they're doing and the progress they're making. Update on the bird. I will put pictures probably before this or after. But the bird flew away. It was fine. What an amazing experience to have. I did cry after it flew away. It was a very big energy release, as it's been called. But now it's just going to be making sure today's Wellness Wednesday post goes up and getting ready for my call tonight at 6:30 for my passive income course I'm doing, which I haven't talked to y'all about, I don't think, and then just whatever little things I wanted to do today before then. But if anything else happens, I will be sure to bring y'all with me. And if nothing else happens, then you guys will kind of just see whatever I throw in to today's or tomorrow's vlog, whenever you're seeing this vlog, which should be tomorrow. Fingers crossed. But I will talk to you guys again soon. Hi everyone, I am currently using my little microphone right now so I don't have to talk as loud because it's pretty much 11:30, but bad lighting, hang on, sorry. I just wanted to come on here and say goodnight, and that I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Today was a really good day. Unfortunately, I mentioned it earlier today, but I actually sadly had to miss the passive income call that was tonight, but I should be able to see the recording of it tomorrow, or tomorrow for me, but the day that you're seeing this. And I just heated up my neck wrap, but I'm about to get ready to unwind and hopefully get some sleep. I'm absolutely over the moon right now and kind of wired from the excitement that I have 3 other people who just agreed to be testers for a service I am testing out to see if it's something I would want to offer. And I don't think people really understand how exciting that is for entrepreneurs when we either get new clients who sign up or have people agree to help us out with trying something or buying a product of ours, or whatever the case may be. If you watching this right now are one of the 5 who have agreed to help test out my product, I truly am so excited to have your help and assistance and feedback on what we're going to be working together on. And for anyone who's intrigued by this right now, stay tuned. If I decide to go through with it, I will be announcing it at some point in the coming months. And if I don't decide to announce it, well, then that I might announce it, what the idea was, and I might not. But anyway, time will tell, and I'm just super, words can't describe how wonderful it feels, honestly. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna go to sleep and try and get some rest, and I will see you again on Tuesday, or at least hopefully on Tuesday. But I love you guys, and thanks for being here. And if you are new here and you're not subscribed, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. It helps a ton, and your support and presence is so welcomed and wanted here in this little community that I'm trying to build and grow. In fact, 90% of the people who watch my videos right now are not subscribed, so be sure to hit the subscribe button below and join our little growing community, and I will see you around very soon. Bye, guys.